This video is about the iBUYPOWER Pro Gaming PC Trace 4 MR176A, a desktop built to deliver solid performance for gaming, business, and personal use. If you are curious about the latest price or want to purchase it today, I have provided the link to this computer in the description below. Right out of the box, the AMD Ryzen 5 3600 processor running at 3.6 GHz with a max turbo of 4.2 GHz ensures smooth multitasking and solid gaming performance. It handles most modern games and productivity tasks without lag, making it a great all-around choice for gamers and creators alike. The 8GB DDR4 RAM keeps things responsive, while the 240GB SSD ensures quick boot times and fast application loading. Graphics performance comes from the AMD Radeon RX 552GB dedicated card. While it's not the top-of-the-line GPU, it's perfect for entry-level gaming, esports titles, and media tasks. For those who want better graphics, the system is easy to upgrade in the future. The gaming case is sleek with tempered glass panels and 16-color RGB lighting, giving your setup a stylish, modern look. Connectivity is robust, featuring multiple USB 3.0 and 2.0 ports, an RJ45 Ethernet port, and 802.11 AC Wi-Fi. This makes connecting peripherals, networking, and streaming seamless. Additionally, it comes with a free iBUYPOWER gaming keyboard and RGB mouse, so you can start gaming immediately without extra purchases. One of the highlights is that it comes preloaded with Windows 10 Home, has no bloatware, and includes a 1-year warranty with free lifetime US tech support. While the RX 550 isn't for ultra settings AAA gaming, the balance of performance, style, and affordability makes it a great choice. Check out the link in the description below to see the latest price and grab your iBUYPOWER Pro Gaming PC today. With everything it offers, it's hard to beat this combination of power, aesthetics, and convenience for gamers and everyday users.